Hey guys, good folks over at TER, T-E-R, A-I-R, gifted me this air purifier to do a little box opening and check it out and give you my thoughts on it. So let's get it opened up and see what we get, and then we're going to get it hooked up and go over the buttons and the functionality of it. So stick around. It's going to be great if you've got pets too, or a smoker in the house, or fires around that you need to filter out. It has 3 different filters kind of made into one. I'll show you that in a moment. There's your product manual here. We'll discuss this in just a moment. Okay, it has 2 filters on it, one on each side. One here on the back and one here on the front. Just remove the cover. Then you'll remove it from the plastic bag. What I was talking about, the 3 filters into one, like I was saying, it has a foam filter on the front, and this is removable and washable. This is like to catch your larger dust particles and pet hair and things like that. You can take this off and wash it. Then you can just put it back on here. And here we have an H13 HEPA filter. And then on the back side, we have a carbon filter. This is for your smoke and things like that, and really strong odors. And it has little arrows on it that will tell you which way to put it back in. Just put this back on there. Just Velcroed back on there. Just put that in there like that. Put your cover back on. You're in business. And like I said, there's another one right here on this side as well. We'll get this one out and get it set up and go over the buttons. Your power cord is about 6 foot long, and it will plug into the bottom of the back right here. Plug that in. Like I said, you have your on and off button right there. Just touch that and it will come on. You can adjust it to the auto. You can adjust your timer. Your timer, the book showed that it was 2, 4, 6, and 8. This is showing 2, 4, and 8. Not showing a 6 there. Nevertheless, so your timer is 2, 4, and 8, according to this. Push the sleep button. That will turn it down to the low speed and turn your light off. You have the light. If you just want to run it on high and then turn the light off, you can just turn the light off there. You have your child lock. Hold it for 3 seconds and it will lock. The little indicator comes up right there. You won't be able to hit these buttons. Hold it for 3 seconds to unlock it. You can adjust your speed. It's on high right there. Actually, it's on turbo, low, medium, and high, and turbo. And like I said, when your filter gets dirty, this right here will come up and tell you when it's time to clean it out or change it. Pretty basic. It does provide 3,000 square foot of air purification. And this deal right here, you can put essential oil on it and put it on the vent right there. You could probably just use a car clip-on as well. You know, the ones that you put on your air conditioner vents in the car. Basically the same thing. Whatever you would like. And by the way, it does have a handle on the back right here. You can carry it right there. And I doubt you can even hear it. It operates on low at 22 dB, I believe it said. So it's a really nice air purifier. Pretty much a whole house air purifier. You're going to want to put one in the living room and in larger rooms, especially where you keep your pets, and maybe in the kitchen if you do a lot of cooking and things like that. If you're looking for a good one, you might check this one out. I'll give it a thumbs up. I really like it. If you'd like to order one of these for yourself or perhaps for somebody else for Christmas, I will put a link down in the description where you can do so. Christmas is coming. If you got any value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. And I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.